Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Broadway bound birthday suite, and we are making this cute little card for my son. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have 2 pieces of gold. And I'm using the Broadway bound suite. And these are the coordinating framelits. Now on this one, I do have it backed with our adhesive sheets. So I cut that down. And just make sure that that's straight. All right. Okay, so we have our wish. All right, and I took the framelit here and I cut around it. I traced around it so that I could have this black on the back. Now I'm just going to come in with some glue dots. And I'm going to roll them up with my paper piercer. And put them down like that. And that is going to pop it up a little. I didn't want it popped up so much using like mini dimensionals or something like that. So I'm going to take my embossing buddy, and now I'm going to put that over just like that. And then I'm just going to fussy cut around it to make sure that it's right next to the edge. Alright, so just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my VERSAMARK. Put some paper down. And I have Hooray, It's Your Birthday with the Broadway birthday stamp. And I have them both mounted together on clear block D. All right, so I'm going to come in with my gold embossing powder. So just like that. And now I have my card base, and I just have Makeup, and I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to put my embossing powder. I didn't use my embossing buddy. I think it will be okay. All right, I'm going to bring in my heat tool. I'll let it warm up a minute. All right. Now, my gold part did pull up a little bit, so I'm just going to put some at the top and at the bottom. I was mainly just trying to hold it down first while we stamped it in the right spot. All right, so let's put this card together. I have a piece of the Broadway birthday designer series paper, and this is cut at 3.5 or 3 by 5.5, and I'm just going to adhere this down. Well, first I have a gold foil strip, and that is about 1/2 inch by 5.5. All right, so I'm going to put that down. Now I'm going to put down the Broadway birthday. And I'm just going to butt it up here. And I just want a small piece of that gold showing, just like that. All right, and I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so I went right there. Then I also used my Starburst punch, and I punched out with gold foil paper. And then from the same coordinating paper, I cut out the 23. And then I got the decorative label punch. And I'm going to, well, I cut that out in black. And now I'm going to center this. Let's retry centering. Okay. And then I'm going to adhere that to the gold Starburst. And I'm just going to pop that up. My son is turning 23. All right, so now we have our wish. So I'm just peeling the back off. So put that down. So just like that, and the dot on my eye stayed in the die, so I get that. Just like that. There you have it, a quick and simple birthday card using the Broadway bound suite. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!